Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the right workloads installed first. Open the Visual Studio installer and select the workload for the language you plan to use. Once done, launch Visual Studio 2022 and choose Create New Project. Pick a template that matches your goal, set a clear project name and folder, and select the framework or target platform. Make sure to uncheck unneeded components to save space. After the wizard finishes, Visual Studio opens the solution, and you're ready to explore the editor and files. You'll now organize and configure the project. Use Solution Explorer to open key files and folders, then edit the main source file to implement a simple feature. Next, use Manage NuGet packages to add libraries and visit extensions to install productivity tools. These change how you code and debug. Once added, update project properties to set the target framework and build configuration. Make sure to save, then perform a build to catch compile time errors before running the app. You finish by building and running your app. Choose Build Solution to compile, then fix any errors flagged in the error list. Double-click items to jump right to the line. Once clean, press F5 to debug so you can step through code, inspect variables, and set breakpoints. Press Ctrl plus F5 to run without the debugger. To ship, open Publish and select Folder, Azure, or a container target. If something breaks, clean the solution, delete bin/obj, rebuild, and restart Visual Studio as a quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.